How to change background theme on Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and further open the conversation of the individual with whom you want to change the chat theme. Once opened, tap on their profile name on top of your screen and you will then see the option for a theme. Tap on that and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will see various themes available from Messenger itself, or you can also tap on the upload an image option you see there and upload an image from your camera roll too. I will simply select any one of the theme available here itself. Once done, tap on the select option you see there, and now if you go back, as you can see here, the theme has been changed. So this is how you can change background theme on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries.